Creamy, delicious, and sweet. This is the easiest and simplest watermelon milkshake that you are ever going to make because it has only 2 key ingredients. Guess what? It's watermelon and ice cream. The best part about the recipe is that it's a simple treat that you can enjoy fruit and ice cream at the same time. So grab yourself some ice cream and watermelon and let's make this delicious watermelon milkshake. To enjoy this delicious watermelon milkshake, you'll need 2 key ingredients. That is watermelon, and I have mine over here, which is looking very delicious. You can tell by the vibrant red color. Also, you'll need some vanilla ice cream or any ice cream of choice. I chose vanilla ice cream because I always love anything vanilla. And also, you'll need a blender, which is going to help you make the milkshake by blending, and also a mason jar or a glass. Yeah, so let's get straight into making our delicious watermelon milkshake. So I'm going to pick my blender and then I'm going to be adding in some watermelon. So I'm going to chop my watermelon and transfer into my blender. Next, you're going to add in your ice cream. Cover and blend until the milkshake is nice and smooth. When adding in your watermelon, add in 1 cup of watermelon and then you're going to add in 2 cups of ice cream because you don't want the milkshake to be very thin. You want it to be nice and thick. So you're going to blend your watermelon and ice cream until smooth. When done, your watermelon milkshake is going to be looking very nice with a very nice baby pink blush color. So I'm going to transfer into my mason jar. And as you can see, the milkshake is not too thin. Place in some extra ice cream on top. After blending everything until smooth, it's going to be looking very delicious, and mine is ready. I've served up or topped up with some more vanilla ice cream and watermelon, which is looking very cute. And this is the easiest and simplest milkshake ever. It's very nutritious because the watermelon has lots of nutrients, and also the ice cream has added in some very nice creaminess to the milkshake. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out the simplest and the easiest watermelon milkshake ever.